start to stutter when I think I care too much. You know I mumble while I try to get in touch, spill my tonic. Every time I care too much, I just panic when I start to get in touch. Oh, why am I way too straight? Am I always late? You know, why did I end up on this disastrous date? You know, uptight, real love makes me feel too uptight. Whenever I'm with you, I'm uptight. You love make me feel so uptight. I just care for you. They're crazy things that I will surely regret when I'm uptight next to you. And the closer you get, yes, the more I'm upset getting uptight next to you. Start to sweat when I think I care too much, smelling bad while I try to get in touch, running fast from the fact I care too much, giving up when I start to get in touch. Oh, why am I way too